Hi guys, today we're taking a look at the latest range of audio products from LG. This is the LG xboom by will.i.am, created in partnership with will.i.am, whose experience and artistic flair helped throughout the process from its sound, design and technology, creating LG's new xboom range of smart Bluetooth speakers and earbuds, elevating the experience to new heights. So I'll be taking a closer look at each of the new xboom products. So the LG xboom Grab, LG xboom Bounce, LG xboom Stage 301 and the LG xboom Buds, showing you the functionality and features they all have, which will hopefully help if you're planning on buying any of them. Details are in the description below, including purchasing links. But before I begin, if you're new to the channel, hope you can support me by subscribing and hitting the bell icon to get notified of my next release. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Let's start off by taking a look at the new range of LG xboom Bluetooth speakers. First up is the LG xboom Grab, and unboxing this, inside you get the xboom Grab wrapped in plastic. Underneath you have some documentation and a USB-C charging cable. Taking a closer look at the LG xboom Grab, it has rubber feet on one side, helping to keep it stable when you place it horizontally on a surface. It has a fabric finish all the way round with the xboom logo on one side and a USB-C charging port on the other side, together with controls on the top, which consists of an on-off button, volume control, play, pause, Bluetooth, share and my button. At the bottom you have an LED light that can indicate the status of different things, like for example when you're connecting via Bluetooth or when you're adjusting the volume. It indicates the volume level it's on, which is quite a nice feature to have, and it has a selection of different lighting effects that can sync with any sounds playing. There's two straps on either side, and it has a rubber finish with the X logo on the ends with red edging around the logo. The xboom Grab's name is inspired from its design, as it's easy to grab and carry, with it being the smallest out of the three speakers, with it being perfect to hold on to if you're on the go. The cylindrical design has a dynamic and vibrant signature sound tuned by will.i.am with a 20-watt woofer and 10-watt tweeters. The compact tumbler design allows you to easily fit it into a car's cup holder, with you able to use it either horizontally and vertically. The straps on the side can be pulled away so you can use it to attach to a bike or a backpack, helping to make the speaker perfect to grab and go with. It's ideal for outdoor use, with it rated IP67 for water and dust resistance, together with it passing 7 military standard 810H test, which I've listed on the screen. Battery life is great, with it providing up to 20 hours of playback on a single charge. Sound quality wise, it has dual passive radiators positioned on either side, providing punchy highs with good mids. The lows are generally good, but do get slightly muffled in certain settings, but it generally performed well, giving a good amount of bass for such a small speaker, so really impressed with it. LG also have a mobile app, which is the LG ThinQ app, and you can use it to help customize different settings on the xboom Grab. Download it by scanning the QR code in the setup guide or from the App Store on either your Android or Apple device. You'd connect to the speaker via Bluetooth, and to do this, just turn the power on and click the Bluetooth button. The LED light will blink blue and turn on Bluetooth on your phone and select the xboom Grab. Add the xboom Grab in the app by clicking the plus icon and searching for the speaker. Once it's added, you can customize the sound effects by using the presets provided or use the AI recommended ones, and you can even customize the sound effects to your own preferred sound. You can also customize the LED lighting on the xboom Grab with different colors and motions. AI lighting automatically applies effects to match the music, with it looking pretty cool. Scrolling down, you have the My button where you can customize your settings for your favorite contents. And in settings, there's an AI calibration which calibrates and adjusts the sound quality depending on the space, so the sound is optimized for the space you're in. So a good amount of functionality for the app, helping to customize the LG xboom Grab to make the most out of it. Next we've got the xboom Bounce. Inside the packaging you have the xboom Bounce wrapped in plastic, some documentation and a USB-C charging cable. It has the same fabric finish as the xboom Grab, going all the way around, And on the front you have the xboom logo with an LED light at the bottom used to indicate the status of different options, and it syncs the sounds being played with it being customizable via their app. There's a strap that goes around from the sides to the back, allowing you to either hold or hang the speaker. Coming around the back, there's a Type-C charging port. The controls are at the top, together with two upward dual passive radiators, and there's dome tweeters built in, crafted by Peerless. The two upward dual passive radiators actually bounce when playing music, which is where the xboom bounce gets its name from. Underneath there's two rubber feet, with each one having two dimples, providing a good amount of stability when playing music. Like the xboom Grab, the bounce is perfect for outdoor use too, with it also rated IP67 for water and dust resistance, together with it passing 7 military standard 810H test. It has a massive battery life, with it providing up to 30 hours on a single charge, which is pretty impressive. Sound quality wise, the bounce is capable of delivering high frequency stereo with precise highs and an expanded soundstage. Sound quality from this is excellent with a good amount of bass, so really impressed with it. App functionality wise is identical to the xboom Grab, where you can customize the sound effects, change the LED lighting with different colors and motions. With AI lighting, automatically applies effects to match the music. You also have AI calibration, which calibrates and adjusts the sound quality depending on the space, so the sound is optimized for the space you're in, which is something that's definitely worth doing when you're using these Bluetooth speakers. Overall, I'm pretty impressed with the sound quality given from such a small speaker, so really impressed with it. Onto the xboom Stage 301. Inside the box you have some documentation, a box with a power cable, and underneath there's the xboom Stage 301 speaker wrapped in plastic. The xboom Stage 301 is a larger speaker in the xboom by will.i.am range, with it having an IPX4 water resistance rating, weighing around 6.7 kilograms. It has a built-in handle for ease of carrying, and a clever wedge design, hence the name Stage, where you could lay it at the side of a stage. And this design provides some great flexibility in terms of positioning it for various setups, like having it flat on a base, tilted back, or even seated on top of a tripod. At the sides you've got the xboom branding. Coming over to the top, and you've got a selection of controls with the volume having a dial, and there's buttons to change the equalizer settings and flip between the different lighting effects. On the back there's two dials, one for the mic or guitar and the other for a reverb. Below that is a removable rubber cover which has some connection ports and a reset button. Going further down there's another removable rubber port. The top part is for plugging in the speaker and charging it, and below that is a battery location which has a replaceable battery that can be easily removed and lasts up to 12 hours. And coming over to the bottom, there's another cover that reveals a tripod mount. So you just remove the cover and you can place it directly onto a tripod. The xboom Stage 301 features a massive 6.5-inch woofer and 2.5-inch mid-range crafted by Peerless. And these drivers are covered in a metal mesh grille, with it featuring the biggest subwoofer among speakers of the same size, with it providing 120 watts of power from its 2.1 channel speakers. There's LEDs at the top and bottom. Sound level wise, the speaker can be turned up pretty loud, with it able to easily fill big spaces, making it perfect for busking, karaoke nights, or any sort of indoor or outdoor events. Sound quality wise, it provides rich, full-bodied audio, sounding really good. App functionality wise, it has the same options as the xboom Grab and the xboom Bounce, with the addition of the DJ mode and karaoke mode, and you can calibrate it to the room you're going to be using it in. All xboom Bluetooth speakers support Auracast, where you're able to send a signal to multiple Bluetooth speakers at the same time. So if you had multiple Bluetooth speakers, you could expand your sound stage around your home. You can do this from any of the speakers by selecting Party Link, where you'll see two modes. The first is dual mode, which allows you to connect two of the same speakers to get stereo. The second option is multi-mode, where you can connect multiple xboom speakers of any type. Selecting that turns on the option Send Music to Nearby Speakers. Then select Other Speakers and click Connecting to two speakers. And that's it, as simple as that, with it working really well. Range wise, my home has 3 floors and I was able to have an xboom speaker on each floor and it worked pretty well, so really impressed with it. And finally we have the LG xboom buds. Inside the box you have a quick start guide, a cardboard sleeve with some documentation, a small box containing different size tips, 2 replacement bands and a USB-C charging cable. And finally the earbuds case covered in plastic with xboom written on the front and a Type-C charging port at the back. Opening up the lid, you have an LED green light on the front, an LG logo inside and the earbuds all in black. The earbuds have a nice and compact design featuring lightweight graphene drivers. It's water resistant with an IPX4 rating protecting against splashing water. It has a long battery life of up to 30 hours where you get 10 hours from the earbuds, and the carry case allows you to charge them to get another 20 hours. The earbuds are really comfortable to wear, with them having ergonomic ear tips helping to adapt to various ear shapes, with them integrating a unique ear hook design which helps to provide a snug and stable fit. But if you didn't want the hook on there, you can replace with the plain bands that you get in the packaging, which is really simple to do. You can connect the earbuds to your phone via Bluetooth, and using the xboom Buds app, you have a number of options available. The app lets you control ambient sound and features active noise cancellation technology that helps in reducing low frequency noises such as car engine sounds and road tire friction, helping to make a quieter listening environment in noisy settings. And the earbuds also include 3 microphones to enhance call clarity by filtering out background noise. You're able to customize the sound effect settings, and there's a selection of predefined ones together with you being able to create your own custom ones. Touch function allows you to see the touch functionality of each earbud, and you're also able to customize to your own preference too. It supports Auracast, where the buds enable you to listen to open audio streams in public, and allows multiple device connections so that several users can simultaneously enjoy the same audio, a bit like a radio station for personalized audio, so users can tune into the broadcast they want, like a friend's playlist or an audio stream in a gym class. The sound quality from the xboom buds is great, providing a nice balanced sound with quite rich bass from the graphene drivers, so really impressed with this. Here's a test of the microphone quality from the earbuds, and you can hear for yourself. It's pretty good with them having 3 microphones built in, giving good quality audio for the other person to hear. So overall, really comfortable to wear with excellent sound quality. So there you have it, you've come to the end of another video, and I hope this video has given you a good intro to the functionality and features of LG's xboom Bluetooth speakers, so the xboom Grab, xboom Bounce, xboom Stage 301 and also the xboom Buds. Details are in description below, including purchasing links, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. For those of you who've got to the end of this video, please leave a comment with xboom, as it's awesome to see who's got to the end of my video, and hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Follow me on all my socials, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications to be notified of my next release. Thanks for viewing, and see you in the next one.